And, after the age of 50, your body begins to send signals subtle at first, then louder with each passing year. You might notice your energy dipping, your strength not quite what it used to be, or your drive slowly fading away. But here's the truth most people won't tell you: age doesn't have to define your vitality. Your habits do. And tonight, I'm going to reveal something simple, natural, and incredibly powerful that can help reignite your testosterone levels starting right from your kitchen. For centuries, olive oil has been called liquid gold, not just for its flavor but for its profound health benefits. But here's where most men miss out: when you pair this oil with a specific natural ingredient before bed, something remarkable happens inside your body. Your testosterone production can surge overnight, your blood flow improves, and your cells begin to repair and strengthen while you sleep. This isn't magic. It's biology working in your favor. As men age, their testosterone levels decline, often leading to sluggish mornings, stubborn belly fat, and reduced motivation. But studies have shown that healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil support the Leydig cells in the testes, the very cells responsible for testosterone production. When combined with a natural, nutrient-dense ingredient before bed, it creates a potent environment for hormonal balance and rejuvenation. Imagine your body using your sleeping hours as a powerful engine for testosterone building, muscle recovery, and renewed energy. This ritual does more than boost hormones. It supports your heart, keeps inflammation in check, and enhances blood circulation, crucial for stamina and performance at any age. Think of it as fueling your system with premium oil before shutting down for the night, so you wake up with power in your step, focus in your mind, and strength in your body. Many men believe that low testosterone is something they just have to accept with age. That's simply not true. Your body is designed to thrive well past 50, but it needs the right fuel. By incorporating this olive oil mixture into your nightly routine, you're not just taking a small health step, you're making a powerful commitment to yourself. You have two choices: ignore the signals and accept decline as inevitable, or take control and build the kind of health and vitality that inspires others. Your future strength, your energy, your confidence, they're waiting on the other side of consistent, smart action. Start tonight. Head to your kitchen, grab that olive oil, mix it with the right natural partner, and give your body the support it deserves. This simple habit has transformed the lives of countless men, and it can do the same for you. It's your time to rise, rebuild, and reignite the power within. Don't wait another day, your best years are still ahead. Man, once you begin this simple nighttime ritual, something incredible starts to happen beneath the surface. Your body responds not in weeks, but in days. You may notice deeper sleep, sharper focus in the morning, and a steady surge of energy that you thought was gone for good. This is your system waking up, cells being nourished, and testosterone levels gradually climbing back toward their natural peak. But here's where most men go wrong: they try it once or twice, expect miracles, and give up too soon. Your body is like a finely tuned engine. It needs consistent, quality fuel to run at full capacity. Mixing olive oil with this powerful natural ingredient before bed isn't a temporary hack, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Night after night, as you sleep, your body repairs tissues, balances hormones, and strengthens your internal foundation. You're not just boosting testosterone, you're rebuilding the very system that keeps you strong, lean, and vibrant. This combination supports your cardiovascular system, keeping your arteries flexible and your blood flowing like it did years ago. That improved circulation doesn't just benefit your heart, it enhances stamina, performance, and overall vitality. Every drop you take is like investing in your future strength, one night at a time. Think about it. While most men are passively watching their health decline, you'll be actively fueling your body to rise above. You're choosing the natural path over synthetic shortcuts, giving your system the nutrients it craves to thrive. This is how real, lasting transformation begins, with a small, powerful decision repeated daily. So double down on your commitment. Don't just try it, make it your nightly ritual. Let this simple mix become the signal your body looks forward to every evening. It's a reminder that age is just a number when you fuel yourself the right way. Stay consistent, stay focused, and watch how your strength, drive, and confidence begin to rise again. The power is already within you now, it's your job to unlock it.